Okay, so in this bonus what to expect when going solar video, I'm going to be discussing what happens if you bought a solar system and you financed it and you're selling your house because you decided to move across the country. Well, I've got good news for you. Your realtor should be selling the features, advantages, and benefits of having solar already on the roof. If you haven't paid off your loan, there's different ways you can do this, but the best way, the cleanest and the best way to set this up for your buyers coming in is to pay off the loan at escrow with some of the profits from the house. The homeowners come in, they don't have an electricity bill, or they have a greatly reduced electricity bill and they're only having to pay for gas. How awesome for your new buyers, and what a motivation for buyers to come and buy your house with a solar system that's operational and working and saving money. So that's the first way you can do it. The second way is a little bit messier and might take some time, and it might, it takes getting the buyers pre-approved and approved for the loan. But you can also work with the lender and have the buyers come in and originate a loan with the lender. That's the other option. The reason why I say that's messier is it's because the buyers are coming in, they're going to be taking out a mortgage likely to buy the house, and it's another thing for them to go out and get another loan just for the solar system. So I highly recommend and encourage you to just build the price of the solar system in, or the value that it's added, into your asking price. Take some of the proceeds from the sales and close it out, pay it off at escrow, and then transfer titles and do all that wonderful things that you do when you sell a house. So homes with solar sell typically faster and for more money than homes that don't. Because imagine, my neighbor down the street, they have the same exact footprint of house as I do, but they use twice as much energy. But if both of our houses were on the market and they were comparable, but I had solar and they didn't, what house are the buyers going to want to buy? The home that doesn't have an electricity bill, or the house that has an expensive electricity bill? Buyers are going to want to buy houses that don't have an electricity bill, especially here in California, where we pay ridiculous amounts of money for our energy. So don't let the thought of, oh my gosh, I don't plan on being in this house for more than 5 years, 10 years, keep you from going solar. You will save money immediately. You will save money over the years that you're in the house. And when it comes time to sell your house, you're going to have no problem selling that house with solar already installed and being able to pay off the loan. Unless we go into an extreme downturn with the economy and with the real estate market, I don't foresee that happening. But, we never know what's really going to truly happen. But I would say that the reward is more in your favor of just going ahead and getting solar. So don't let that keep you from going solar, and let that be an added feature to your home and benefit and advantage to comparable houses in your neighborhood that don't have solar. So keep that in mind.